How many nutritious and delicious ways do you make eggs? I love to take leftovers from my refrigerator and make some sort of a base, and then add fresh vegetables and 2 eggs to soft cook. And it ends up being a great breakfast or even midday meal. I have some leftover rice in the pan and some avocado oil. I added sun-dried tomatoes and a huge handful of fresh baby spinach. I'm cooking it down and adding 2 eggs that will soft cook. What do you think of this recipe? Do you enjoy recipes like this? I make them a lot. Here it is, finished and ready to serve with a little dash of salt and pepper. What do you think? Please let me know. What vocabulary did I help you with? Can I help you with any more food vocabulary? Contact me. Thank you.